Always a good time.
I'm still gonna send it.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, something a little different. We actually are on the road to Glamis. So it is currently, what time is it? 4:48. I don't know if you can see that. 4:48. So we're headed out to Glamis. Got the rig loaded up here. Got another buddy's rig over here loaded up. So we're headed out. Stay tuned along for the adventure. I'll show you some cool stuff. So we made it. So here we are, beautiful Mother G, Glamis, whatever you guys want to call it. But this is always a good time. So weekend's young, today's Wednesday, so we still have a long time here. We got the trailer. We're actually parked over here right down Bender Row. So if you can see, there's Bender Row over here. And so we're getting set up, and then we're gonna start heading out for the first ride. So we'll throw you guys here on the car, on the GoPro on the side. Show you a little our campsite. So we have the Pro R out here. We're gonna probably throw a mount up here on top. Got to get some angles, but this is the first time shooting with this car, so we'll probably end up mounting up here or somewhere good to get a cool angle while riding and driving. So let's go. Casualty. I don't know if you can see it, but hit a bus. So first ride of the day, we made it up to Oldsmobile. So not a lot of people here yet. Weekend's still young, so we'll see as cars start rolling in. But what time is it right now? It's still early. It's only 2 o'clock, so. Got sand cars. So down here is where some people park. Up here is where more people park up here. This will be full at nighttime. This will all be full at nighttime. We'll give you a little glimpse of what Oldsmobile looks like. Sand cars. So first stop of the day, first ride of the day, and we'll head on to the next spot. So I think we'll probably go back and get some lunch and then kind of go from there. So we'll keep trucking along. Pro hour is running good though. This famous Sunset Hill, some people call it the Ledge. Pretty cool area because it's literally the last set of dunes before the valley, so it's kind of a cool area. You can see all this stuff up here. So a little afternoon ride and stuff. Now we're gonna chill out here and watch the sunset.
I don't know, I just woke up from a little nap. It's a little dark, but you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
A few moments later.
So welcome 2023. So thank you guys for watching. Show you guys a little bit of Glamis stuff, and we'll be back in the shop showing some more stuff. Brand new year, brand new day here. So a lot to come, a lot to see, and we'll keep you guys along the way. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks. Peace.
No, I can never ever get back all the things I missed. But on that Monday, think you got the gist.